Okay.
Kusog lang mo pilit.
Wala ka nindot din.
Kusog lang mo pilit.
Baon.
Scallop here, you got two. Scallop.
Hi!
Pwede pa manilas.
Okay.
Hi, you looking cool? These are good to eat. Let me see. Alright. We are back. Look at this size compared to this size. Small. Ikaw? You got some lato or sea grapes?
Ano yan?
Justin! Naka-scallop, Justin. Uy. Kuya kasi dagan kayo. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our vlog, or welcome if you're new here. So we've been up since 3 o'clock in the morning. It's bright early in the morning, and I think now it's around 4:25, so we gotta get ready. So it's 4:25. We've been up since 3 because we cooked some rice that we're gonna take with us to the dagat, because today is another low tide in the morning and we are gonna go foraging. But it's not just us, because we have more company. We have more company today, and my cousin's family is gonna be there too today. One of my kids, well, he's at Lolo and Lola's place, but the little one is gonna go with us. We wish we could all go, but we don't have a ride that all of 4 of us can fit, so maybe someday. So anyway, we are going foraging today, and I gotta get ready. So hopefully, crossing our fingers and toes, that we get a lot of shells and fish, because there's bunsod again. We're not gonna go ride the pump boat this time. I think we're just gonna be on the Daplin, Manginhas, and we're gonna bring a lot of things with us. We're gonna bring butane stove with us so we can cook. So we will see you there sa dagat, you guys. Good morning. Hala, hunas na kayo. Be careful, Ero, sa dangog. Morning, good morning, good morning. Hunas na jud. Late na. Kani. Dito sa may rough area.
May rough. Tanawa.
Narango kayo.
Jump.
Mo ni ron ka ma-stuck na ta. We are back. Nakapanginas na pud mi, and then among kauban late abot kanos aslam abot ugma pa siguro. Anyway, I'm stuck. I'm gonna get my slippers. Okay. I'm wearing socks, so we are here, and welcome back. Or welcome if you're new to our channel. Okay, hang on, mama. Hang on. So, naisa? Sige. Paglisod ko, lakaw ka na si Ros.
Have to pee. I can't.
Ay, nagkuha gini Papa. So, Eris is here. Say hi to everybody.
Hi!
Among kauban, wala pa. So, let's go. I think we might have a shell. Little, yep.
What is my basket?
Here,
There's a meat shell.
we got blood cocoa. What?
It's too heavy. I want my water cap.
Okay. You got one? What is it?
I got one.
Let me see. Nakakuha gi kag sudsud, baby. Sudsud ako ra ba kayo? Baby si. Dako ra ba, good job. Mo lagi ka, bi. Okay. Let's go back there. Maybe we might find some scallop this time. We might get lucky.
The baby seal.
What man eh? Kan lang. It's a lukot, but I don't. It's too brown for me now. Did you get shells?
No.
Hmm?
That's Papa.
See, check. Is it good? Check the inside. Check the inside. Okay, good. Good job. All right. What siguro? Hey, catch fish. It was cool. Kisa nga sakayan pa. That's supposed to be our ride. But no, they're late. Very late. They're not here. Is it dirty?
Yes.
Pwede pa man eh. Pwede pa man eh.
Okay.
Okay. That's still good. Good job. I can't see the shell anymore. La, nalubog. Oh, this one. Be. Huy, naunsa man ka. Ibutang lang na imong kalo. Here.
You hold it.
Butang imong naghanan na ako'y gunitan eh. Here. See spaghetti. Yeah. Hi, you looking cool? Are you not cold? Check. Is it good?
Okay.
Okay. Check. Double check. Okay. Let's get these. These are good. You're gonna have a full bag right now. These are good to eat.
Like last week.
Hmm?
But this one.
Like the last time? Okay. Look. Oof. There's a shell with it too. Get rid of that, please. Okay. Put this in there.
Wait, just.
No, don't put it in there. That's not a good one. Put it in the bag. Let's get one more and then that's it.
Ma, do you know you pop it? Pop it.
You pop it in your mouth. Here. There, you got a bag. Alright, you got a bag full of good stuff now.
Pop.
Yeah. Starfish! It's so small! Look! Oh my goodness, it's so small! You see that?
Yeah.
It's a baby one. Oh, hi baby. Baby starfish. Let's leave him alone.
Yeah.
It's so cute. Huh? Look at this size compared to this size. Small. Small. Come on. Ikaw?
Sarap.
Ano ganun ko pa?
Yeah.
I have more. Eris, look. Huh? Scallop? Wait. Oh, there's one. Lukot, oh. Scallop.
Huh?
Lukot.
Sarap ba?
And then right here is the lukot. Oh, wow. Eris, come here. There's a scallop. And some spaghetti. Dali, use. Girlin! Huh? Unsa man? Where? Where? Another one. Woo! Scallop here. You got 2 scallops. You got 2.
Yung buta diri na sa lupa buta.
Be.
Ayun sil diri sa buta.
Tapos na diga.
Ang sil buta na.
Nangita nas girly asa kuno.
Kaog mo gani.
Nag taon ha? Basa ka? Basa. Magkagda. Sige, kag sam-sam good. Sige na, sam na niya. Kaya di ka matugnaw sakto. Huwag kini pa no. Tabo na, saan na ilang makuha. Tagko eh. Sila po din nagsamot. Ano sa tabo na. Naglalis po ng mga tao sa atbang. Dali! Lagi si Leonor lagi to nakita nagkabibag bata. Waday nagbutsi ka ng Austin di Aidam. Wa nagbutsi Austin. Oo. Okay.
Oh my god.
Yeah, show it.
Oh,
Show it. Delete. It's
open.
Yeah, oh, it's got a moon snail with it. Yeah, because they are like together. That's how they are. Sige.
Oh.
Dali. Oh, pakita si Kuya daw. Oh, yeah, you can eat that one too. We can eat that.
Hey, Adam. Oh. Oh. Looks like an egg.
It's sud-sud na siya Kuya og buwan-buwan kanang puti. Makaon. You got some lato or sea grapes. They're huge. I got some here already. There. Well, they're looking for us. They don't know where we are. Garland! Nabawas lang pangita. And there's a small one. He's an itty bitty one. You can stay there. Pilit. Ay, nakakuha ra gid siya gid.
Ang gawas na siya mamaak, ma'am.
Kusog lang mo pilit.
Wala ka nindot din.
Kusog lang mo pilit.
Baon. Galing pa tayo.
Kuha ni ma'am. Kuya! Hali! Guniti! Dali ka, masaksak ako! Manaksak na!
May medyo si Udri.
Ala, di na
Nice
matangtang.
Squidward.
Ayan. Matangtang.
Kuha na sila ba yung sakit ay pupuli?
Di na naman ko ay.
Ang ihaw.
Gusto ni Papa yan. Mami!
Okay. My goodness. On. Ano kayo? Ano pa?
Oh, get it. Huwag ito sa... Get out there!
Ade. Ade. Girlin.
Ano yan?
Ciao. Ang way mga mama na nagtungko. Nagtungko.
500 ma!
Uy, dalawa.
Okay.
Oy, asudlan na Nerjo!
Thank you. Diri po nito na niyo dagko.
Hoy!
Nakalami. Uy, oh. Estin. Na naka-eskala po Estin, dagko nang sudsud karon kay taob man. Taob no, daghay sudsud. Manggawas na lang na.
Sa gawas na nakita.
Manggawas na.
Tigko no.
Dagko eh.
Kuya kasi dagan kayo.
To giluto na.
Kalo?
Ngaon ta, giluto na.
Gani ba?
Askang dagaan at lukot. Ting lukot yun dun. Lamig din sa crispy lukot tomorrow. Yes, lukot. Lukot kayo dyan. Si noodles, si spaghetti. Crunchy, crunchy. Yummy, yummy. Is it good? Is it good? Mm-hmm.
Gumamit ng malaking pera para sa isang fund manager galing sa Wall Street. Isang taon
Good morning. Gikan sa baryo gihapon ni. Talilong. Naka-highlight diri ron. Lukot. Narrow because I don't need it. So hey everyone. Well, we just got home from the Dagat. So we got up at 3 o'clock this morning, and then we left at because we had to cook some rice to bring to the Dagat for our panginhas, and then we left at close to 5 o'clock in the morning. And when we got there, it was already low tide. So hunas na siya. And so hopefully you guys love this video, and if you do, please do not forget to click like and subscribe if you haven't already, and share if you like. If you like. So anyway, thank you everyone for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.